As a nurse or midwife in Ghana who is a member of the Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwife Association, you know you have been contributing some amount of money each month, which is termed GRNMA Fund, and you don't know how to check the amount of money you have contributed so far. Don't worry, GRNMA has got you covered. They have given members the opportunity for us to see the amount of money we have been contributing. Not just that, but we also get a chance to see the gains we've made with our money. Now, you need to understand that this money is for us. It's your own money. It's going to be given to you when you go on retirement. It's important for you to understand and note that about 56% of Ghanaian pensioners take less than 500 Ghana cedis each month. So let me ask you, how much do you spend on utilities at the end of each month? Can you survive with 500 Ghana cedis as a pensioner in Ghana? The answer is no, and that is why GRNMA brought up the Nurses Fund to help nurses and midwives in Ghana, because we go through a lot as nurses and midwives. So without wasting much time, please subscribe to this channel, share this content, and let's dive in. To begin with, you need to call Access Pension on this number 030-273-8555. 030-273-8555. You have to call them from Mondays to Fridays, and the time is usually between 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Note, when you call them, make sure you have your Ghana card, your SNIT ID number, your staff ID number, your date of birth, your phone number, and you have installed your app on your phone. You will know how to install their app by watching this video to the end. When you call them, it might take a few seconds for them to pick up your call. When they pick up your call, tell them you are a nurse and you are calling about your GRNMA fund. Further explain to them that you were told to call them to activate your phone number on their system so that you can check your GRNMA fund. After the call, proceed on your phone with these steps. Go to your icons on your phone, you tap on Play Store. When you tap on Play Store, it opens and you see where they've written search apps. You tap on it. It opens, and then where they've written search apps and games, you type there Access Pension. Then after typing Access Pension, you tap on enter or on the search logo that you see down here. It loads and brings you here. So here you can see the Access Pension app. You tap on install. After installation, you tap on open. It brings you here. So here, depending on how fast and how strong your phone is, it might take you a couple of seconds. And boom, here we are. You see the interface of Access Pension. So from here, you simply go and tap on login. When you tap on login, it brings you here. Here you tap on select login type. It brings you this drop down menu. You see we have member number, we have SNIT number, and then we have controller and AG department number. That is what we are going to use. That means your staff ID. So you tap on that. It brings you here. So here you see where they've written enter controller and AG department number. You type your staff ID there. After typing your staff ID, you tap on continue. When you tap on continue, it tells you successfully identified. It brings you here where they are requesting for PIN code verification. So it means they will be sending you an SMS message to your phone. So you go and check the SMS message from Access Pension Trust. So I'll go to my SMS and boom, you can see I have here Access Pension. Your verification code to the Access mobile app that is there. I'll just copy it, then I'll go back here, then I'll type it in here or I'll paste it. So I pasted you can decide to either write it and type it, or you can just paste it there. After pasting, you now tap on verify. It loads and boom, PIN verified. So it brings you here, and here they ask you to set up login PIN. So you have to put in about 4 characters. So after doing that, it brings you here. Tap on allow, then it brings you here. So they tell you to touch the fingerprint sensor. So I'll just tap my fingerprint sensor, and here I am. I can now see the amount of money I have contributed. So you can see welcome back Simon, Ghana flag over there. You see GRNMA Fund. So you see my amount there. You can also see yours. You know, the first time I saw I was very happy. I was excited. This amount of money I've been contributing so far. So if you see this, it can give you an idea. Okay, you need to contribute more. So here you tap on the GRNMA Fund to see the recent transactions. So I'll just tap on it. Okay, after opening, I have contributions, and I have withdrawals, then I have gains, and I have closing value. So if you look at the gains, you see that I've gained about some of money. So you can check yours. You see that you've also made or gain some amount of money over there. So you can see the recent transaction. This is May, April, March, February. This is all 2023. So you can also decide to check all your payments. Okay, how can you do that? You just tap on the online payments. You tap on it, it brings you here. So here you can see the GRMA Fund, the contributions from the first day you started contributing, or the first day GRNMA decided to introduce the GRNMA fund. So these are the various contributions I have done so far. So that is it. You've been able to see the amount of money you've contributed so far. So GRNMA is trying to open it up so that you can decide the amount you want to contribute. If you see the amount you have there which you think is not enough, you can always try to contribute more depending on the number of years you are left to go on retirement. So thank you so much for your time. Try to log out if you want to. How do you do that? You tap on the logo, your profile photo, it brings you here, then you tap on log out or close this session. So when you tap on log out, it logs you out.